Hello everyone, good afternoon. Thank you for giving me opportunity to share a little bit about me and my family. My name is Imam Saputra and people call me Imam. And I was born on November 13 November actually in the 2000, and I live in Semambang since I was born and until now. I traveled is Japanese and I work as elementary teacher in school. Yeah, and now my age 23 years old. So okay, I have I have uh, four siblings. Actually, in my family, it consists of five people. Two my parents and one the big sister and two brother, and the last one I have a little sister. My oldest sister is a 35 years old and named Yunisara, and people call Uni, and she is married and has to have children and name Paro and Ruga. And my sister work as elementary school same with me, but different school, different place. Yeah. And two, I have a brother name is Solihin. He is 30 years old and is still single, not married not yet, I think. And then is working as a building construction. And and I have a little sister is named Letitia, and is 12 years old now. She is a student in junior high school, and she is quite active in school toward the lessons given by the teacher. Yeah, and the last one that I will introduce my parents. My father name is Vishnu and my mother is Sami, and my father 50 years old and my mother 48 years old. My father's opportunity was a farmer on his own plantation. Yeah, and my mother just stay at home, not work. Yeah, this is my family. I introduce with you guys, and thank you for attention for to hearing introduce my family and me. Thank you everyone. Bye bye. Good evening.